with year 9, and then you get a Hauptschule certificate. The Realschule ends with the 10th year, and then you get a Realschule certificate. And if you go to the Gymnasiale Oberstufe, that is the upper secondary level, then you can have your A-levels exam. Das ist Abitur.
General information. Since 1999, following a reform of the system of education, there are the following types of schools in Poland: 6-year primary school, 3-year gymnasium, and post-gymnasium schools, 3-year general lyceum, 4-year technical secondary school, and 2-year comprehensive lyceum, 3-year comprehensive technical secondary school.
Education in Poland is compulsory until the age of 18. Full-time compulsory education starts at the age of 5 or 6 per 0 class of kindergarten and 6 to 7 years in the first grade of primary school.
Music, art, technology, computer sciences, physical education, religion or ethics. At the end of 6th grade, when the students are 13, they take compulsory exam that will determine to which lower secondary school they will be accepted. At the end of 3rd grade, students take another compulsory exam to determine the upper secondary level school they will attend.
Upper secondary education. The age of pupils is between 16 and 20 years. The upper secondary education is not divided into cycles. Those who want to study after school can choose between a lyceum for 3 years or a technicum for 4 years.
Hello everybody. This is a presentation about our school, but before I show you how our school is, I'm going to talk about the educational system, just as the Polish team did and the German teacher did before. Actually, our school system is not organized as everything in Italy. We start with compulsory school after the kindergarten, which is not compulsory. We start with primary school that is made up from 5 years of school, where they teach us everything, every basic subject such as maths, English, Italian, history, and all the subjects you have to do. After that we go to the medium school, which is just the same as primary school in subjects, but you do it more specific. So you have more general knowledge to choose what kind of school will you do after that 3 years of medium school. Because after 8 years of school we have to choose of what kind of school we would like to do. And that will be our future probably, because you can't do like a professional school. Actually you can, but it's very hard to do a professional school and then go to the university. Like we have 3 kinds of secondary schools or higher schools that are professional, technical, and lyceums, which correspond to your gymnasiums. But although in Germany, if you take a Realschule or a Hauptschule, you can't go to the university, even if we go to a professional school, we have the chance to go to the university after we end our school program. In the schools have many kinds of schools. Like there are many kinds of professional schools depending on which profession you would like to do or which kind of university you would like. Massimo Belli. That's our chemistry lab. It's not wonderful as your one, but we make the experiments by ourselves. We actually work with acids and reagents. We do not just see them. That's the microbiology lab. We do many studies with bacteria because it's legal to touch viruses or work with them, but we analyze water or other things such as industry, garbage, or sometimes even shit. And we have to see if they're okay with they're legally. Like sometimes you see that the water it's not drinkable or things like this. We do many analytical.
Juan is located 3 meters from San Juan Beach. There are 600 students and 90 teachers. The next steps in our school are two. First, compulsory secondary education card in Spain for a student from 12 to 16 years old and takes 4 years. That we're not able to finish the compulsory education.
In our school, we have got special rooms like 2 computer science rooms, 2 science rooms from biology, 2 technology labs like this for chemistry, and 2 drawing arts or a classroom very big like this. And the rest of the common subjects like math, languages, and history have 4 classrooms for each one, more or less.
The Spanish school system is divided in 3 parts. There are compulsory and these aren't. Preschool going to the 3 to 6 years old, primary school going to 6 to 12 years old, compulsory secondary go to 12 to 16 years old, and high school 16 to 18 years old.